Most likely to succeed is an interactive installation that is all about the subjective nature of fairness.
So algorithmic bias and algorithmic fairness are very technical concepts. Fairness in particular is often described as something that's hard to define, but you know it when you see it. At Accenture Labs, we focus on artificial intelligence, and we find it very hard often to get across these concepts.
So the installation is it's in two parts. The first part is an assessment which is done sat down in front of a screen which is tracking your face, and your facial positions, movements and expressions dictate how well you do in this assessment.
The assessment scores based on its prediction of how likely you are to succeed at playing a physical game that we've created. It encourages people to think about how are the ways that we construct AI models, what are the ways that we can think about fairness, and then how do we apply them? What are the rules that we give based on their predictions?
The fairness of an AI system is decided by the humans that use it and not the AI. For example, in this game, Risa and Alex decided to optimize for a definition of fairness around deservedness. So the better you are at the assessment, the more time you get at the game. They could have easily decided to instead use a definition of fairness based on need. So actually it would mean the worse you do on the assessment, the more time you get in the game.
Something we're really hoping for is that people go through this experience and they think about various procedures that they go through in their daily lives, like loan applications, job applications, and even school applications and things such as this. And the way that the situation we've created with this game, even though it's a low stakes one, the same situation is replicated in things that are quite impactful.
Working with Science Gallery Dublin and Risa and Alex gave us exactly what we were looking for. Really gets across the concept of algorithmic fairness in a neutral, gamified way. And our hope is that people that come and visit will start thinking about it and discussing it and become part of that conversation.